Understanding oven timer, a key kitchen vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we'll be diving into a very practical and everyday phrase that you might come across in the kitchen: oven timer. Whether you're following a recipe or just heating up a meal, knowing what an oven timer is and how to use this term can be very helpful. So let's get started. The phrase, oven timer, consists of two words that we'll look at separately: oven and timer. An oven is an appliance found in the kitchen used for baking, roasting, or heating food. It's a fundamental tool in cooking and baking and is something most people use regularly. A timer, on the other hand, is a device that is used to count down time. It's used in various contexts, from sports to cooking. When we combine these two words, we get the phrase, oven timer, which refers to the built-in feature or separate tool that helps us track cooking time when using an oven. Now let's see how to use the phrase, oven timer, in some sentences. Please set the oven timer for 20 minutes, so the cake doesn't overbake. When the oven timer goes off, check the pizza to see if it's done. I didn't hear the oven timer, and my cookies got burnt. In each of these sentences, the phrase, oven timer, is crucial because it indicates the action related to cooking and ensures that the food is cooked for the correct amount of time. An oven timer is not just a tool, it's your assistant in the kitchen. It helps to prevent overcooking or undercooking food, allow multitasking in the kitchen without having to watch the clock, keep track of the precise cooking time required for different recipes. By understanding and using an oven timer effectively, you can ensure that your meals turn out perfectly every time. Here are a few quick tips for effectively using your oven timer. 1. Always double-check. Make sure you've set it for the right duration. 2. Stay within earshot. Be in a place where you can hear the timer when it rings. 3. Use a backup. If you're not sure about the oven timer, use the timer on your phone or another device as well. That wraps up our lesson on the phrase, oven timer. Remember, getting comfortable with these common phrases can make a big difference in everyday tasks like cooking. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language abilities, especially in the kitchen. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking, and happy learning!